Yo, what's up guys, bros and broettes?
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
I am out here today because it's my fourth attempt at doing the dash. First time I tried wrapping it in leather. The second time I tried wrapping it in leather. The third time I tried flocking. It looked great at first, and then when I tried to remove the excess, it looked like crap. So, and then I tried putting more in the spots that wasn't, on there very well, and then it just looked all lumpy. So I said, screw it. Cleaned it all off, which was an incredibly big pain in the ass, and then patched all the holes that I made cleaning it off. So, this is where we're at right now. As you can see, hole patched holes, all those are from when I did the leather. This, I guess I put a crack in it when I was doing the leather. And this was an original crack in the dash. That's, for the most part, it's as smooth as I'm going to get it. Or at least I feel the need to. This is pretty smooth. I filled in this. It's not completely filled in. But at this point, I'm just saying, whatever. Yeah, this one's not perfect. This isn't perfect, but it is going to do the trick. As you can see, it's my vent thing. So I made it out of an old gutter. I cut a piece out of it and made it to, shaped it. These pieces of tape are the little tabs that I made, like this. I cut a little too much and they broke off, so they're JB welded on there. The tape is on there to hold it on. But in the meantime, the areas that feel like that they need a little bit more, might need a little bit more attention, that aren't perfectly smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of Plastidipped on them just to kind of get it built up a little thicker in that spot before I throw more in other areas. So I'll put a little bit of Plastidipped over here, along right here, probably some right here, and right here, and right here. But yes, she is ready to go ahead and get some Plastidipped on her. Wish me luck. What's up guys? So I just finished actually I finished a little bit of while ago putting the Plastidipped on here. Now I didn't want it to be completely smooth because I really wanted it to be an orange peel look, just to give it texture, and it also helps hide any imperfections that were still in the dash. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So just keep in mind, again, this is not I didn't want it to be completely flat, which I could have achieved if I hadn't let the can get a little bit cold out here, because it is cold out here. And I allowed the can to get a little bit cold after I warmed it up, so I can get that orange peel look, because that's what I was going for the dash, because I didn't want it to be completely smooth, because there are still defects in the dash and it isn't 100% perfect, so I wanted to be able to hide those, and the orange peel definitely helps hide those things a lot. So without further ado, here is the dash.
Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, deciphering the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just you.
Alright, so as you can see, the dash turned out how I wanted it to turn out. To me it looks good, but it doesn't look great. This was my first time actually making this piece right here. As you can see, I have the hole drilled out real big so I can get the mounting screw back in, right here, here, and here. I used a step drill bit for that, and I didn't have any more drill size blades, so I used the my angle cutter and went through it very carefully. As you can see, I didn't really measure it that well. It was kind of eyeballed, so it didn't turn out perfect. but it turns out all right. These all face towards the passenger, towards the driver's side. So that one, 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 and then starting right here, they all go towards the passenger side. So as you can see, it does make, obviously there's a big dent right, you know, divot right there, so that wasn't easy to hide, but like, you know, it does make it, you know, there are things in the paint, you know, in it, you know, like you can kind of see the body work a little bit right there. I mean where I put the body filler. So but yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out. I'm not gonna do this again. So if I have to do my dash again, then I'm gonna go a different route. So, but with that said, I am done with the dash. It can finally go back in the car, and I can start putting some of the interior stuff back in. I already have the carpet in. The dash is the main thing that goes in, and then I might Plastidip that piece. That's the center console. So, you know, obviously I put the vinyl wrap on here. So I'm not quite sure if I'm going to leave this or not and go with the gold. But, you know, as you can see, all this damn pollen all over the place. All over it. But anyways, that will get, yeah, vinyl wrap. I might just do the gold on that and then paint it black to match the, with the Plastidip to match. These seats I really do not want to put back in because they are disgusting. At least this driver's side one is disgusting. That passenger one is disgusting too, but not as bad as this. But that was my fourth attempt fixing the dash, and this was the closest to how I wanted to get it anyway. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, and the next video will be of me starting to get some of the interior together. So with that said, until next time, guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, because it does go a long ways. So until next time, peace out and never look back.